Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Yay! Oh, we are flying in an airplane, looking, watching the clouds go by. Flying in an airplane, looking out the window, up so very high. Looking down the window, you can see the wings. Down below, I see other things, like little tiny buildings and cars so small. It makes me feel that I'm really tall. Kailangan nakaganon pa.
Tagal.
Oh, we